Libra meditation. Welcome, beautiful soul. This is your sacred time to return to balance, peace, and harmony. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Again, inhale calmness. Exhale all tension. One more time. Breathe in deeply and let everything go. You are safe. You are loved. You are guided. Body relaxation and breath work. Bring awareness to your body. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Let your shoulders soften. Feel your chest rising and falling gently. With each inhale, imagine breathing in balance. With each exhale, release any heaviness. Let's take 3 breaths together. Inhale through the nose. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Again, inhale peace. Exhale release. One last deep breath in and sigh it out completely. Visualization, the scales of Libra. Now imagine a golden scale floating before you, glowing with soft light. On one side rests peace. On the other side rests love. With each breath, the scale moves into perfect balance. Feel this harmony spreading through your mind, body, and soul. See yourself standing in a beautiful garden sunset. The sky is painted in soft pinks and purples. The air is calm. Everything around you is in perfect balance. You are Libra, the seeker of peace. The bringer of beauty. The one who restores harmony. Affirmations and harmony energy. Now imagine a soft pink light surrounding your heart. With each inhale, the light grows stronger. With each exhale, it spreads through your entire body. Repeat silently after me. I am balanced. I am balanced. I am at peace. I am at peace. I live in harmony with myself and others. I live in harmony with myself and others. I radiate love and beauty. I radiate love and beauty. Feel these words sinking deeply into your soul. Every cell in your body vibrates with harmony. Your spirit is aligned, calm, and free. Stillness in balance. Now simply rest in this state of balance. Breathe slowly. Feel peace in every breath. Inhale calm. Exhale love. Stay here, embraced by the soft light of Libra's energy. Begin to return to your body. Feel your breath. Feel the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, Libra, you are harmony. You are beauty. You are peace. Thank you for sharing this journey.